So today I'm going to be doing a time-lapse slash unboxing video of my video editing slash gaming PC. I do not have all the parts here today, but I do have most of them. I will be getting the rest of the parts later this week, and so that'll just be edited into the video. So to start off, we have the Silverstone SST RL01B series with USB 3.0. It's a pretty nice case. It has enough room for all your gadgets, and you can upgrade it if you want. Next, we have the motherboard, which is a Asus F2A85M Pro Micro ATX motherboard. And I got all these parts off newegg.com, if you're wondering. I will leave all the links to all the parts in the description. Next we have the power supply, which is the Corsair CX series 430 watt power supply. It should be more than enough to supply all the power to my build. Next off we have the hard drive, which is a Western Digital Green Series 2 terabyte Intel power with 6 gigabytes a second, 7200 RPM. And then last but not least, the brain of the computer, we have the AMD Athlon multi-core processor. This is a quad-core processor with overclocking to 4.0 gigahertz. I might be overclocking, I might not. That depends on if I get an aftermarket heatsink. And those are all my parts so far. I do also have two Apiva CF112SL UBL blue LED cooling fans right there. Those will just help keep it cool. And the case also comes with a red LED fan in the front. So that is all for the parts I have. I also have a PNY GeForce GTX 650 2GB graphics card. That is going to be arriving later this week. And then I also am getting 8 gigabytes of G-Skill Ripjaws X Series 8 gigabytes, 240 pin DDR3 RAM, and that will be my computer build. So now we're going to get into the time-lapse video of us putting it and assembling it together. Power up.
This one. Okay, ready? Now. Go.
Oh. Ooh. Wow. Oh, wow. Sounds very quiet. Is the hard drive working?
Yep.
Wow. So I got my graphics card right here, and this is the PNY GTX 650. Here's the box right over here. GeForce GTX 650, 2 gigabyte version, focus. And so yeah, here's the time-lapse video. Okay, now that the time lapse is done, I will be showing the setup that I've got made. So here's my setup. I'll start off at the top, I guess. Got my Emerson TV. I've got some Turtle Beach Z11s. Got, moving down a little bit, I just have a PS3 with a remote here and a remote under here. The keyboard, I don't use this. I use this keyboard slot right here for food. So, and then got a little earpiece for my PS3. Then I have these two speakers, satellite speakers right here. My keyboard, it's a Skiller. I don't know exactly what model it is. And then I've got, this is the knob for the speakers. This is really nice because you can turn that and it adjusts the volume. It's got a microphone and an on-off switch, and then an auxiliary cable and a bass control. Then I've got this awesome mouse right here. It's a E-Blue Mazer, something like that. Yeah, it's really awesome. I love it. The scroll wheel is my favorite part too. It lights up too. I'll show you that in a minute. And then moving down further, we of course have the base. Here's my PC right here. I actually like it a lot. I like my case. It's not quite like a gaming PC case, but it's got a bunch of wires running out right now. But that doesn't really matter. So there's the case. You already seen that in the video. And I guess I will just power on. Let me give you a quick look inside really quickly. Inside, it looks pretty nice. It's kind of, the window's a little dusty, but there's a graphics card and everything. Motherboard and the RAM looks pretty sick. But yeah, that is the case. Power buttons right here, and watch up here. Wonderful blue lights. LED fans with the dust cover. I have a red LED right here. Let me turn. Yeah, it's an awesome looking red color. Matches the logo. Let's just turn on this right here. So now it's powered up. And here's my keyboard. This glows right there. Skiller logo. And that's that. And then my mouse right here is already, now if you just click it, it's on. But it also, if you flip it down one, it also glows, which is awesome. It looks really nice. And the speakers also glow blue. So everything on here pretty much has a blue theme to it. I really do like it. Got the blue computer, and that, and that. And that's my setup.